Hello, bonjour! Today I will teach you how to sprout black beans and black-eyed beans. But also, I will teach you how to cook them. The easiest and fastest way to cook them for always the same result. Not too mushy, not too crunchy. You'll see it's very easy. So as you know, when you sprout, you remove the anti-nutrients. That means that you get to have it all, not them. And it also means that it increases, as you know, the nutrients bioavailability. It increases the value, the content of protein, minerals, vitamins. It's just the best way to do. I mean, ideal. Okay, so let's start. We'll go very quickly with the sprouting because you've seen that already in quite a few of my videos. So let's start with the black-eyed beans. Just to do a recap, we'll do that very quickly. So you pour. You make sure that you leave room for water because it'll be 1 part bean and 2 parts water once we soak. First of all, we give it a little wash. So you just give it a little wash like this. Then pour the water out. Give it a rinse. Back in your bowl. You have 1 part bean, 2 parts water. It will soak for 8 to 12 hours. Once it had soaked for 8 to 12 hours, pour it back into the strainer. Give it a good rinse. And this time, we're leaving it to sprout. Then what we do is we mimic nature, which is that the seeds will be in the ground in the dark. There you go. I'll show you with the black beans. Black beans are sprouted for 3 days. Then I'm dehydrating the beans. You can also keep them fresh as you wish. In my case, I will dehydrate, so I'm putting them on a tray. And I use my ruler here because that's easier to spread the beans. See how easy it is? And then it goes in the dehydrator. And this is the result. Once they're dry. See the result? Now they are dry. Okay, I will teach you how to cook them. I am using an instant pot to cook. You can cook them on the stove if you like, but I find it's easy. I just push the button. Okay, so what we do is we use 100 grams of those are sprouted and dehydrated. They're the black-eyed peas. So I put 100 grams here. And then I add 275 of water. So that brings me to 375. And move it around a bit, put it in my pot. And then, so I click on the bean cycle. And then it's at low pressure. And then it cooks for 35 minutes. The result is here. You can see it cook here. The beans are amazing for protein content. So that little plate of beans here, you have 9 grams of protein in there. You can add them to your salad. You can even do desserts. With the black-eyed bean, you can do desserts. I'm going to try this. I'm so curious. I haven't tried yet. You can add to your soup, to your stew, to the burgers that I taught you how to make, the vegan burger. You can add that to the pâtés. It's a perfect food. Once it's sprouted, it has so much more nutrients. So there'll be video following this one where I will teach you how to use those beans. So make sure you come back and check it out. See you in the next one.